Are you tired of losing track of your finances, struggling to keep up with budgeting, saving, and investing? Well, you're not alone. So many people struggle with managing their money effectively. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by bills, expenses, and the constant pressure to make ends meet. But what if I told you that there's a way to take control of your finances and achieve financial peace of mind? In today's digital age, we have access to incredible tools that can simplify our lives, and that includes managing our money. I'm talking about AI-powered finance tools that can automate tasks, provide valuable insights, and help you make smarter financial decisions. In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 AI tools that can revolutionize the way you manage your finances. These tools can help you budget effectively, save more money, and even grow your wealth. So, if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, stick around. Let's kick things off with Mint, a game changer in personal finance. Mint is a free app that brings all your financial accounts together. Log into Mint and see your bank balances, credit card bills, and investments, all neatly organized. No more jumping between websites. Mint does the heavy lifting. Mint's true power lies in its budgeting capabilities. It automatically categorizes your transactions, showing where your money goes. It's like having a personal finance assistant. Mint helps you save money effortlessly. Set savings targets with its goals feature. Mint tracks your progress and provides personalized recommendations. It also offers bill pay reminders to avoid late fees. Plus, free credit score monitoring. Concerned about safety? Mint uses bank-level encryption. You can set up two-factor authentication for extra security. Millions of users rave about Mint's ease of use and security. For a powerful, user-friendly budgeting tool, check out Mint. Now, if you're serious about getting your finances in order and breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, then you need a budget, or YNAB for short, might just be your new best friend. YNAB is a subscription-based budgeting app that takes a unique and highly effective approach to money management. It's all about giving every dollar a job. The core principle behind YNAB is that you should allocate every single dollar of your income to a specific expense category or savings goal. This means that before you even think about spending money, you've already decided where it's going. No more wondering where your paycheck went at the end of the month. With YNAB, you're in complete control. One of the things that sets YNAB apart is its emphasis on proactive budgeting. Rather than simply tracking your past spending, YNAB encourages you to plan ahead and make conscious decisions about your money. It's about being intentional with your spending and making sure that your money is aligned with your values and goals. YNAB also excels at helping you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. The app encourages you to build up a buffer of savings so that you're not living from one paycheck to the next. This buffer acts as a safety net, providing peace of mind and financial security. Another great thing about YNAB is that it's incredibly customizable. You can create your own spending categories, set up savings goals, and track your progress in a way that makes sense for you. The app also offers a ton of educational resources, including workshops, articles, and a supportive online community. Now I know what you're thinking. A subscription-based budgeting app? Isn't that a bit much? Well, here's the thing. YNAB offers a free trial so you can test it out and see if it's right for you before committing. And many YNAB users will tell you that the app has been a game changer for their finances, helping them save more money, pay off debt, and achieve their financial goals faster. Personal Capital, your all-in-one wealth management platform. Now let's shift gears and talk about investing. If you're ready to take control of your investments and grow your wealth, you need a tool that gives you a comprehensive view of your entire financial picture. That's where Personal Capital comes in. Personal Capital is a free app that's like having a personal financial advisor right at your fingertips. One of the standout features of Personal Capital is its investment checkup tool. This tool analyzes your investment portfolio and provides personalized recommendations to help you optimize your investments and potentially maximize your returns. It's like having a team of financial experts working behind the scenes to help you make the most of your money. But Personal Capital is more than just an investment tracker. It also offers a suite of tools for retirement planning. You can use the app to set retirement goals, estimate your future income needs, and track your progress over time. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you whether you're on track to retire comfortably or if you need to make some adjustments to your savings plan. And if you're struggling to manage your cash flow, Personal Capital can help with that too. The app offers budgeting tools that help you track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and make sure you're saving enough each month. But what really sets Personal Capital apart is its focus on holistic financial planning. The app takes into account all aspects of your financial life, your income, expenses, investments, debts, and even your home value, to provide you with a complete picture of your financial health. And if you ever need help navigating the complexities of personal finance, Personal Capital has you covered. The app gives you access to a team of certified financial advisors who can provide personalized advice and guidance. Albert, your AI-powered financial genius. Now let's talk about Albert, a financial app that takes a proactive approach to managing your money. Albert is like having a personal finance assistant that's always looking for ways to help you save more, spend smarter, and achieve your financial goals faster. One of the things that makes Albert so unique is its use of artificial intelligence. The app analyzes your income, expenses, and spending habits to provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific financial situation. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, but without the hefty fees. One of Albert's standout features is its automatic savings tool. The app analyzes your income and expenses and then automatically sets aside small amounts of money into a dedicated savings account. The beauty of this feature is that it happens seamlessly in the background, so you don't even have to think about it. But Albert doesn't stop at saving. The app also helps you invest your spare change. With Albert Investing, you can link your bank account and the app will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the difference in a diversified portfolio of low-cost ETFs. It's a great way to start investing without even noticing the impact on your daily spending. And if you're ever feeling lost or unsure about your finances, Albert has you covered. The app offers access to certified financial advisors who can provide personalized advice and guidance. Whether you need help creating a budget, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, Albert's team of experts is there to support you every step of the way. But Albert isn't just about saving and investing. The app also helps you manage your bills and avoid late fees. With Albert's bill negotiation feature, you can connect your accounts and the app will automatically negotiate lower rates on your bills, such as your internet, cable, and phone bills. Trim, your subscription slayer and bill negotiator. Let's face it, we live in a world of subscriptions. From streaming services to meal kits to software subscriptions, it's easy to lose track of all the recurring payments draining our bank accounts. That's where Trim comes in. Trim is an AI-powered financial assistant that helps you take control of your subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, and save money effortlessly. One of Trim's standout features is its subscription management tool. The app connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, identifying all your recurring subscriptions. It then provides you with a clear overview of your subscriptions, allowing you to cancel unwanted or forgotten ones with a single click. But Trim doesn't stop at canceling subscriptions. The app also negotiates lower bills on your behalf. Trim analyzes your spending and identifies bills where you might be able to get a better rate, such as your internet, cable, and phone bills. It then uses its AI-powered negotiation engine to contact the providers and negotiate lower rates on your behalf. And if you're worried about missing a bill payment, Trim has you covered. The app offers bill payment reminders so you can avoid late fees and keep your credit score in check. But Trim is much more than just a subscription slayer and bill negotiator. The app also provides personalized financial insights and recommendations. Trim analyzes your spending habits and provides you with a clear picture of where your money is going. It then offers tailored recommendations on how to save money, reduce debt, and improve your financial well-being. And if you're ever unsure about a financial decision, Trim has you covered. The app offers access to certified financial advisors who can provide personalized advice and guidance. Whether you need help creating a budget, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, Trim's team of experts is there to support you every step of the way. So there you have it, my top 5 AI tools to manage your finances like a pro. From budgeting and saving to investing and bill negotiation, these tools can empower you to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial success is not about being a millionaire overnight. It's about making smart decisions consistently and using the right tools to your advantage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more finance-related content. And let us know in the comments which AI tools you use to manage your finances. Thanks for watching and happy managing. Like, share, and subscribe.